Ikaw ang superstar, ang star ng buhay ko. Mahirap ma-inlove sa isang katulad mo. And so I got here the formula Skell from Xenoblade, and this is from Kotobukiya. And actually, I got a very long time looking for this model kit here since 2022. And this is 2026 already. Thank you so much for this seller who sold this to me at a very affordable price. So let's check this it out and let's see what this formula Scale has to offer us collectors. Find me around those gets round. What's up, guys? And this is the box for the formula Scale light frame doll from the Xenoblade, and this is the 148 scale, by the way. I really like the appearance of this kit since this kit transformed into a cycle. It's like a motorcycle, something like that. Motorcycle mode to a mobile suit like this. So it's a very unique kit to me, and it reminds me of one of the character from Beast Wars Transformer. I just forget that character there, which looks like this as well. So there we go. We got here those model kits that came from video game, and this is actually came from a video game as well from Nintendo. There we go. We got the logo of Nintendo there. So this is a game from that. So I made a video regarding model kits that came from video games, video Mecha. Unfortunately, I didn't include this because I still didn't finish this. Okay, anyway, we got the back part, front part, and this motorcycle view. Okay, the vehicle mode. Then we got those weapons. So we got the shoulder cannon, the rifle, and the blade sword, something like that. And we got the beam saber and some accents there for this water slide vehicles. Okay, the other side of the box we can see the mobile suit mode and the motorcycle mode. Okay, so there we got the Nintendo logo here as permission for the Kotobukiya to create their character. So if we open the box here, we can see the parts here. We got this very nice greenish gray shade of armor. Then we got this gray parts for the inner frame. We got this parts for the gun and the rifle. We got clear parts. I think this one for this stand, the action-based stand. So we got this parts for the cycle, and we got this gray parts and some light gray parts here. We got this greenish green or greenish gray parts. Then the small parts here, small parts there, pre-painted parts, and some small piece of polycaps. Okay, we got also the beam saber effect parts. Okay, this is a bit hard plastic, and for the visor. And we got here the water slide vehicles. So let's look the manual. Let's check the assembly instruction. I like the design of this manual here. It looks so high-tech. And there we got the formula Skell. Okay, if we open that, we can see the pictures again for the formula. And we got here the motorcycle mode and the mobile suit mode. So Xenoblade X, like that. Okay. So the parts list here, it's not that much as we can see here, and this is the assembling process for the kit. Okay, so the assembling process is not that hard if I'm going to assess. This is a very easy kit to build, And there we go. We got the page for the color if you want to paint the kit on your own, and the placement of the decals for the kit. Okay, so there we got also the instruction for transformation mode. Okay. As always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. So we got here runner B for the greenish gray parts, usually armor pieces. Then we got runner A here for the hand parts. So there, we got big hands there. Then we got runner L for the inner frame part. Then we got here runner G for this gray parts, runner I for inner frame parts, runner E for this weapon parts. We got here runner K, 2 sets of runner K for the wheel parts. Then we got this runner C for the armor pieces. Then we got this runner H, 2 sets of runner H. Then we got runner F, 2 sets of runner F for small runners. Then we got runner M for this light gray runner. Then this runner D and runner J for this small pieces here. Also we got this poly caps. So we got 7 pieces of poly caps there, and pre-painted part with this green and orange parts. Okay, so we got the beam saber effect parts, and this visor parts there. Okay, so let's build this kit once and for all. And so we got the finished product of this Kotobukiya formula Skell from Xenoblade, and this is really nice. The appearance of the model kit is quite good than I expected. So the kit is really having this kind of greenish gray appearance with dark gray and some semi-light gray scheme, and it has a very hefty armor attached on it. So we got this cannon on the shoulder. We got this beam saber, which is very similar to the Gundams, and we got this rifle attached on the right side, and we got this folding axe, or folding sword rather, on the left leg. So this kit really transformed, but I will not show you the transformation sequence because I don't like to transform this, because this is very finicky in terms of structure. So most parts of this kit are a bit brittle, since this is an early release from Kotobukiya. Even though it's a reissue, it's still having some brittle joints on it. So for the articulation is not that good to me, because it's a bit mix of loose and tight joints, especially here on the head. Cannot make it rotate here. Okay. For the shoulders are on a ball joint attached on that socket there, but I'm very afraid if I move this, because it will it has a tendency to break on that peg there. So there, it can move like this. Okay, and there's this panel here, or hinge, that is very thin. So be careful when moving this, because accidentally applying force will break those connector there. Okay. For the elbow is also a bit tight, so I cannot bend it well. There, it can bend 90 degrees only because of the structure. Okay. For the waist is connected on a hinge there, so you can rotate like this. For the legs, it's connected on a ball joint, peg and ball joint. There, you can kick forward to this far, and the knees can bend like this, double jointed. Very nice bend. And on the back of the heel, you can see a blade. Supposed to be the blade is pointed upward like that, but I intend to make this flat like this because it will act as a tripod or support on the feet, because this is a bit back heavy due to the fact that this wheel here for the motorcycle mode is a bit heavy. The gun looks like this. So this is a very simple gun. It's two plastic clamped together, and here we got the sword. So the sword here is foldable, so you can use it like this, and if you're going to keep the sword, you can fold it just like that. Okay, so I decided to paint it gold for the blade here to have some distinction, and I put pegs there so the kit can hold this well using the dull and decal hands. So there you can attach the blade here. We got ports there, and we got a peg there. Okay. So you can put it here, and this one, the gun, you can put the peg on the socket there. Simple, just like that. Okay, so that's it. Actually, I don't like to review this kit, but since I believe that this kit is a special kit to me, since I look for this for a very long time, it deserves some review. So thank you so much for watching this. See you next time.